everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video we're going to get this oak tree in the ground right underneath where this camera's standing. And a little bit of backstory on this is called the love tree, and my sister-in-law and brother-in-law got married underneath an old oak in my in-laws backyard, and here about 3 or 4 years ago or so, something like that, that tree died actually and had to get cut down. And I guess the next year or so went by and several trees started growing up underneath where it was. So some acorns had been buried there over the years, and so my father-in-law dug up some of those and has given those to us and my sister and brother-in-law and others. And so this is the tree he gave us about 1.5 years ago, and we thought it died in this recent ice storm that we had, and obviously it didn't. It came back. So I'm going to go ahead and get it planted in the ground out here on the land where we want it, and it's going to look very pretty. So if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions about what I'm doing and a little bit more of the backstory, drop them in the comment section, and then as soon as the video's off, go check out some of our other content. So I just found this little glass knob looking thing, maybe like an old ceiling fan knob that goes on the end of the chain. It's broken off there on the top end here, and the part in between my fingers is completely sealed off. And it's like a glass thing. I'll have to check it out later. Alright, here we go. That's going to be a wrap for the day, but that's how you plant a tree. There's more details to it, so if you have questions about like the soil content, the additives that I've done to it, the different mixtures of dirt and whatever else, just drop them in the comment section below, and we're going to check out some of my other videos. But other than that, that's pretty much going to be it. I'll keep you posted on the tree over the years and all the other things that I'm doing out here. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's content, and go check out some of the other clips, other videos on the channel. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.